Okay, we have here today a quick integral from Caltech Math Meet 2024, and I kind of like this one just because we have the fractional part in here. The thing about the setup is a lot of times with the fractional part, what you'll see is maybe the upper bound is just 1. The reason for that is because the fractional part is just going to repeat itself. It's just kind of the same on any interval. Like, for example, between 0 and 1, if I have something like, let's say we have the fractional part of 0.25, let's say. So the fractional part is just going to return that. So it's just going to return 0.25. But if we extend this back the way we had it to 4 and we take a different value, let's say we take 3.25. So now the floor function here is still going to return 0.25. And of course, we could have picked any value. It doesn't have to be 0.25. I could have done 0.1 and 3.1. So the point is, and you could look at a graph too, that's going to be the obvious way to see it. But from 0 to 1, it's going to be exactly the same from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So what we can do actually is we can reduce this to 1, but we just need to bring it out front. So we're like, we have 4 of these intervals. Now you don't have to do it that way. You could kind of do it out. It's just going to be quicker to just strip off the 4 and bring it out front, but you could do it out and see it that way too, or the graph, lots of different ways to look at it. But then from here, what I want to do is we'll use the definition of the fractional part. So then that's going to be, this is going to be the same thing as x minus the floor of x. And then what we can do is we can rewrite the integral. We'll just plug in this for the fraction part. So we'll write it like x minus floor function of x all to the 4th power. But now we're almost done because we're between 0 and 1. We can evaluate the floor function between 0 and 1. The floor is going to round everything down. So everything in this interval is going to become just 0. So if that's 0, this goes away, and then the whole thing is x to the 4th. So what we're really doing is we're just doing power rule, integral of x to the 4th dx. Go ahead and integrate. We got the 4 out front. This is going to be x to the 5 over 5. And we just need to evaluate from 0 to 1. Of course, 0 is nothing. You plug in 1. This is going to be 1/5 times 4. And for my final solution on it, we get 4 over 5. And that's it. All right, there you go. Good one from Caltech Math Meet 2024. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.